Hello everyone. Today's topic is eye wellness, protect and nourish your vision. So, why eye wellness is important? 80% of vision problems are preventable with proper care. Your proactive eye care through regular checkups, proper nutrition, and safe practices can enhance eye health and protect your vision for years to come. That is why eye wellness is very important. So, I see you. That is, taking care of your vision with a wink can easily take care of your vision. Eye opening facts. Your eyes can process about 36,000 bytes of information every hour. So, do you know how often do you blink? On average, we blink 15 to 20 times per minute. So, why not turn it to a game? What is inside your eye? It is more than just a window. Extraocularly, we can see conjunctiva, cornea, iris, pupil, sclera, and intraocularly we can see lens, vitreous, macula, optic nerve, and retina. So, what are the common eye problems when your eyes aren't playing nice? Short-sightedness or myopia. Myopia or nearsightedness is when you can see things that are close to you clearly, but things that are far away appears blurry. And what is long-sightedness or hyperopia? When things up close are very blurry. What is astigmatism? It is vision problem where the world looks blurry or distorted, kind of like looking through a wavy or bent glass. Astigmatism when the world looks like a Picasso painting. So what is seeing colors differently or color blindness? Around 8% of men have some form of color blindness. So here in this picture you can see how a colorblind will see the colors. This is the Ishara chart showing plate number 1, hidden number 12, written with red with green background. Plate is used for the colorblinds who are literate. And this is the plate where we use it for the illiterate people, where we make them to trace the path, take the color blindness. So, what makes eyes go bad? Age, genetics, screen time and lifestyle. How to avoid eye strain? Don't stress your eyes. 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. What are the daily habits for eye care? Blink often while using screens. Follow the 20-20-20 rule and wear sunglasses outdoors. So, what are the healthy diet for eye health? Foods such as carrots, spinach, fish, nuts can give you the nutrients such as vitamin A, C, E, zinc and omega-3 fatty acids. Now, what are the screen time tips? Adjust brightness, contrast, use blue light blocking glasses and maintain proper screen distance. Now, what are the exercises for eye relaxation? That are palming, focus shifting, and figure of 8 exercises to remove the strain. What are eye safety measures? Wear protective eyewear at workplace, avoid rubbing your eyes, and handle contact lenses with care. How to take care of contact lenses? Contact lenses to be handled with care. Clean them, don't sleep in them, and avoid using them as a snack holder. Now, what are the eye myths busted? Facts versus fiction. Reading in dim light won't ruin your eyesight, but it won't help either. Now, what are the eye wellness myths? Do you believe these eye myths? Carrots will give you night vision. False, but they help. Why? Eye doctors are eye superheroes. They know the secret codes to keep your eyes very healthy. Now, the question is when to see an eye doctor? When you have persistent headaches, blurry vision, and eye pain or redness. Now, how about children and eye care? Monitor screen time and ensure good lighting during the reading. About regular eye checkups? Schedule yearly checkups to maintain optimal eye health. What about healthy work environment? Proper lighting, ergonomic sitting, and screen at eye level will surely help. What is call to action? Adopt these habits for a lifetime of healthy vision. Daily eye care checklist, drink water, rest eyes, wear sunglasses and sleep well. Because your eyes deserve the best, they work hard every day and don't take them for granted. Thanks for being eye conscious. Now go ahead, give your eyes a break. Thank you so much for patiently listening to me. Thank you because your eye deserve care every day. If you enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe.